Delhi recorded the lowest temperature of this winter season so far, with the minimum dipping to 4.5 degrees Celsius on Thursday morning. Cold wave conditions were observed at isolated places in Delhi, including Ayanagar and Pusa, where temperatures dropped to 3.8 and 3.2 degrees Celsius respectively. The India Meteorological Department highlighted the departure of the western disturbance leading to these cold wave conditions in northwest India.
On 8th and 9th, active western disturbance influenced northwest India, which has caused light to moderate snowfall over Himalayas and light rainfall over Punjab, Haryana, NCR, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Thereafter, when system moved away, strong northwesterly winds start prevailing over the regions. As a result, temperature dropped over northwest India. So presently, from last 2 days, cold wave conditions are prevailing starting from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Now it will extend to other parts, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal also.
According to the India Meteorological Department, when actual temperatures fall below 4.1 degrees Celsius or when the departure from normal is 4.4 degrees Celsius or more below average. They predict that such conditions will prevail with no relief in sight for the upcoming days.
There will be no change in the temperature, significant change by next 3-4 days. That's why we are giving the cold wave conditions over northwest India 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days mean for Rajasthan we have given 3 days, over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh we have given next 4 days, and after that, as I have told earlier, temperature will get weakens and temperature will rise gradually.
Delhi's minimum temperature on Wednesday stood at 4.9 degrees Celsius. According to the Weather Department, the minimum temperatures in early December have been recorded below 5 degrees Celsius for the first time in 14 years. The Weather Department has predicted a clear sky for the day, with the maximum temperature expected to settle around 23 degrees Celsius.